Hello, roofing contractors all around America. My name is Joe Mallon. I run American Roof Supplements and American Roof Expert. Just wanted to invite you to use me for one free xactimate residential roofing supplement. Complimentary. I just want to show off. I just want to show skills. You might have somebody that already does it for you that's never been a roofer before. You might have somebody that goes on vacation often and you want a second string. I can be second string. You might have, a giant hurricane that just hit your city or something like that, and you're backed up, and you can't keep up with the demand of your supplements, and you want to be able to pay your sales guys fast enough, and you want to be able to push it to the limit, Put us in the game, I've got a crew, and we're good. We've been doing this for a while. We have a 72-hour turnaround rate, or it's free, so I can get it back to you real fast. As long as it's residential, as long as it's a normal residential deal, Put me in the game, test me. That's why I do the free one. I will need your logo. I'll need your address, your phone number, and everything, and that way I can input it into my xactimate and build you out an avatar, and it'll look really, really professional. I also do estimates for roofers for $100, and that 72 hours are free, minus Sundays or any major holiday. I gotta say that, minus Sunday, or like you can't use Christmas. Christmas is not gonna work, but any day other than the main ones, like Halloween, that's my day. What else? Major holidays. Yell at me. Underneath this video, there's a link. Click the link, and what you'll get there is a full training, all sorts of stuff that you can put your guys through, your girls through. I've got call sheets. I've got how to get leads online. I've got how to use Spotio, how to use Hell Recon, so many different things. Just things that'll make you think. But click the link at the top bar, like way at the top, or click the link in the bottom corner and fill out that form, and I will give you a call, and I will get you set up on this deal with us. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And let's get this party started. Let's make some money together. Bye.